My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called VX Underground. VX Underground is a ransomware that may damage the files considerably by encrypting them. My video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting the ransomware. In the video, I will show you the negative impact of the ransomware and will give you some recommendations on how to recover the files, possibly. However, I cannot guarantee that I will help you to recover them. Before the ransomware attack, users are able to open their files, but after the ransomware attack, they notice that this VXUG extension has been appended to the file names, and then it is impossible to use the data anymore. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. But paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money. The ransomware also reveals this ransom note. So don't pay the ransom, don't waste the money. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner, which can be found on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and then click on Start Scan button. As you see, the software is initially in the trial mode, so only Quick Scan option is available. After you click on this Start Scan button, most likely the application would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is certainly essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware or any other types of threats. So then the scanning will begin, and at the end of the scan you will see the summary of all the threats which were found during the scan. Some threats, of course, can be removed manually, but my recommendation is that you consider upgrading to Premium, and you can always request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature which helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data, but it does not decrypt the files. Keep this in mind. So take your time and wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats. You will be able to know their locations. Consider upgrading to Premium. And speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to recover your data.